Wait till it starts wiggling.
It's recording, don't worry. Come on, Krabby.
Come on, flap. Flap!
Flapping like an idiot.
I'm gonna drip water on you. Flap!
Bad crabs.
I'm gonna poke it. I'm not gonna poke it. Ah! You're so insane! Flap. That's mean. Stop it. Flap like an idiot. There we go! Yeah.
These crabs hate us.
Oh, duh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This one's a muscle. What about this one? Is this one dead yet?
No. I don't think so.
Dead
Give him
yet?
some water.
Yeah.
Let's get under the water. It's an empty spoon.
So I got this stupid joke, okay? Oh my gosh. You like that?
No, we
You
don't.
like that?
Stop it. Killing him.
Slowly. Well, we're gonna kill him anyways.
Hey, pick him up and see if he flops.
I want to pick him up, see if he flops.
What I just said. He doesn't. No poke.
Flop. You poke it. We're such idiots. But you have to shake it like this. And that's how I got the other one to flop. This one doesn't like to flop. Flop.
Punish him with the thing he loves most.
Hey, it's like... it's like holding up for dear life. This is not getting you out. This is getting you in. Your boy is broken claw.
Shove it in his mouth. His ugly mouth.
Can you zoom in while your video is recording?
Yeah.
So zoom into his mouth.
No, you can't. I thought you could.
Yeah, we'll get close.
No, you never pinch my stupid camera.
Pinching the thing with both claws.